Alright, here we are for an unboxing, my first unboxing video. um, we're unboxing my new mouse. The Logitech Pro, I think it's, what is it, Pro X Superlight or something? Dude, I totally forgot, I just bought it yesterday. Here we go. The Pro Superlight. This is a Gen 1, I think it was. Pro X. Yeah, all the specs and everything. Bro, they hella smashed it. Can you see that? They smashed my box. Damn. Hopefully it's not damaged. Sweet. Looks nice. I like Logitech. Damn. Bro, it feels like it's hollow. Got my little dongle thingy. Oh, this is a crazy connection. Look at that. Huh. I'm probably just using my regular charging cable. But yeah, that's super light compared to what I used to have. I forgot what I used to have. Yeah, that's pretty nice. We'll see how it works. I wonder if you can like do it or get like the infinite scroll. But this is a nice scroll wheel. I'll mess with it more on the keypad or on the pad to see how it is. But yeah, that's my unboxing video. I'll let you know how it is later. See how it performs. Peace.